Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about 2D coordinate system, some questions on collinear problems, and also discuss about missing vertices and give some examples. Exercise 0.4 question. First question, find k if k comma minus 1, 2 comma 1, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 5 are collinear. Second question, k comma 2 minus 2k comma minus k plus 1 comma 2k minus 4 minus k comma 6 minus 2k are collinear. A first question, the solution of first question, let A is equal to k comma minus 1, B equal to 2 comma 1, C equal to 4 comma 5. First vertex x1 y1, second vertex x2 y2, third vertex x3 y3. Here the given points are collinear. If the given points are collinear, area of triangle ABC is 0. Given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Formula of modulus of x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3 equal to 0. The 2 cross multiply with 0, 2 into 0, 0. Here x1 k, x2 minus 2, x2 value is 2, x3 value is 4, 2 minus 4, y1 minus 1, y2 1, y2 1, y3 5. Modulus of 2 into 0, 0. Modulus of k minus 2, 2 minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1 minus 5, minus 4 equal to 0. A, B, C, D, AD minus BC form. Minus 4 into K minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, minus 4 equal to 0. Minus 4K, minus into minus plus 4 into 2, 8, minus 4 equal to 0. Modulus of minus 4k, 8 minus 4, 4 equal to 0. Mod 4k, 4k plus 4 equal to 0. A mod is removed. 4k is equal to 4. 4k equal to 4. 4 1 4 1s. 4 4 get cancelled. K is equal to 1. This is the answer. K equal to 1. Second one, find k. Here the vertices k comma 2 minus 2k minus k plus 1 comma 2k minus 4 minus k comma 6 minus 2k are collinear. First vertex let A equal to k comma 2 minus 2k x1 y1 first vertex coordinates. Second vertex B equal to minus k plus 1 comma 2k x2 y2. Third vertex minus 4 minus k comma 6 minus 2k x3 y3. In this question given points are collinear, then area of triangle ABC is 0. Given points are collinear, area of triangle ABC equal to 0. then apply the formula of modulus of x1 minus x2, first row, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3 equal to 0. Then apply the values. 2 cross multiply with 0, 2 into 0, 0. That implies here x1 k, x2 value minus k plus 1, multiply with minus, minus plus k, minus into plus 1, minus 1, x1 minus x2. Next, x2 minus x3, x2 minus k plus 1, x2 minus k plus 1, x3 multiply with minus into minus plus 4 and multiply with minus into minus plus k. y1 minus y2, here y1 value 2 minus 2k, 2 minus 2k, y1 minus y2, y2 2k minus 2k, y2 minus y3, here y2 is 2k, y3 6 minus 2k, multiply with minus 6 plus 2k, equal to 0. 2 is cross multiplied with 0, equal to 0. K plus k, 2k minus 1, minus k plus k get cancelled, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 minus 2k minus 2k, minus 4k, 2k plus 2k, 4k minus 6 equal to 0. A, B, C, D, AD minus BC form. 2k minus 1 multiply with 4k minus 6 minus 5 into 2 minus 4k. It is equal to 0, then mod removed, the value is 0. 2k into 4k, 8k square, 2k into minus 6, minus 12k, minus 1 into 4k, minus 4k, minus 1 into minus 6 plus 6, minus 5 into 2, minus 10, minus into minus plus 5 into 4, 20k equal to 0. 8k square minus 12k minus 4k minus 16k, 20k minus 16k plus 4k, 6 minus 10 minus 4 equal to 0. Here divided by with 4, 2k square plus k minus 1 equal to 0. Here factorization, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 ones plus 2 minus 1 plus 2k minus k, 2k square plus 2k minus k minus 1 equal to 0. Here 2k is the common. Here 2k is the common. 2k common. K plus 1. K plus 1. Here minus k minus 1. Minus is the common. Minus 1 common. K plus 1 equal to 0. K plus 1 is the common. 2k minus 1 equal to 0. K plus 1 equal to 0. K equal to minus 1. 2k minus 1 equal to 0. 2k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1 by 2. Here the value of k equal to minus 1 or 1 by 2. Next topic, missing vertices in a triangle ABC, D equal to x1 comma y1, E equal to x2 comma y2, and F equal to x3 comma y3 are the midpoints of sides BC, CA and AB respectively. Then find A, B and C. We get one formula. This is the theoretical problem. Here in a triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC. D is the midpoint of BC in given. E is the midpoint of AC. F is the midpoint of AB in a given problem. To find the vertices of A, B and C. Here you join these two lines FD and ED. Here one parallelogram is formed AEDF. This is the one parallelogram AEDF. To join this line EF, here also one parallelogram BDEF. This is also one parallelogram. Here CDFE. This is also one parallelogram. Three parallelograms are formed. By using these parallelograms to find A, B and C. Here in a diagram already given in problem, D is the midpoint of BC, vertices is given x1, y1. E is the midpoint of CA, vertices is given x2, y2. And F is the midpoint of AB, vertices is given x3 comma y3. D is equal to x1 comma y1. E is equal to x2 comma y2. F equal to x3 comma y3. Here let A vertex, let A equal to x comma y, x comma y. In a diagram DEFA is a parallelogram. DEFA is a parallelogram. DEFA is a parallelogram. Here to observe that this is AD, one diagonal. AD, EF are the diagonals. In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. That means midpoint of AD is equal to midpoint of EF. Here in a diagram, AD, EF are the diagonals of parallelogram. Midpoint of AD, midpoint of AD is equal to midpoint of EF. Midpoint of EF. The midpoint formula x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the coordinates of the line segment. Then midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Sum of the x coordinate by 2 comma sum of the y coordinates by 2. Here midpoint of AD x plus x1 by 2, x plus x1 by 2 comma y plus y1 by 2, y plus y1 by 2. Midpoint of EF x2 plus x3 by 2, x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2, y3 by 2. Here the x coordinate equal to x coordinate. X plus x1 by 2 is equal to x2 plus x3 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. X plus x1 is equal to x2 plus x3. X is equal to x2 plus x3, x2 plus x3 minus x1. Next y coordinate equal to y coordinate. Y plus y1 by 2, y plus y1 by 2 is equal to y2 plus y3 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. If plus 1 is minus 1, y is equal to y2 plus y3 minus y1. Here capital A vertices x comma y. Here x value is x2 plus x3 plus x3 minus x1 comma, and y value is y2 plus y3 minus y1. Here to observe that x2 plus x3 is the sum of the x coordinates in E, F. x1 is the minus, d coordinate is minus. And observe that y2 plus y3, sum of the y coordinates in E and F, E plus F. And y1 is the subtract, d coordinate. Here the formula is easy to understand. Capital A, the opposite vertex midpoint is D. Here the formula easy to understand, E plus F minus D. E plus F minus D. To observe that the opposite vertex A is the vertex, the opposite vertex is D is subtracted, remaining vertices of midpoints add, E plus F equal to minus D. Similarly in B, the opposite vertex is subtracted, these two are added, D plus F minus C, D plus F minus C. Similarly, C is equal to the opposite vertex F is subtracted, remaining two vertices add, D plus E minus F. This is the concept. If the midpoints are given, to find the vertices, this is the concept, easy to remember. Here the vertex A, the opposite midpoint is subtracted, remaining two midpoints add. Similarly, B also, the opposite midpoint is subtracted, remaining two midpoints add. In C vertex, opposite midpoint subtracted, remaining two midpoints add. One example model in a triangle. If D equal to 1 comma 2, E equal to 4 comma 3, F equal to 6 comma 4 are the midpoints of the sides BC, CA, AB of triangle ABC, then find A, B and C. Here in a triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC given in question, E is the midpoint of CA and F is the midpoint of AB, and vertices is also given, D equal to 1 comma 2, E equal to 4 comma 3, F equal to 6 comma 4. Here to find capital A vertex, B vertex and C vertex. Here capital A is equal to opposite side midpoint D is subtracted, E plus F minus D, E plus F minus D. Here E, the x coordinate is 4, in F the x coordinate is 6, in D the x coordinate is 1 minus 1. Similarly, y coordinate, in E y coordinate is 3, in F y coordinate 4, in D y coordinate is 2, subtracted minus 2. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 minus 1, 9. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 minus 2, 5. Capital A is 9 comma 5. Next to find B. B equal to opposite vertex E subtracted, D plus F minus C. Here the x coordinate of D is 1, the x coordinate of F is 6 plus 6, the x coordinate of E is 4 minus 4, comma y coordinate. Y coordinate of D 2, y coordinate of F 4 and y coordinate of E 3 minus 3. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 minus 4, 3. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 minus 3, 3. This is the B vertex. And find next C. C equal to D plus C minus F. Minus F. Here, first to find the x coordinates of C. The x coordinate of D is 1. The x coordinate of E is 4, 1 plus 4. In F, the x coordinate is 6 subtracted, comma y coordinates. In D, the y coordinate is 2. In E, the y coordinate is 3 plus 3. In F, the y coordinate is 4 minus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 6, minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Minus 1, comma 1. Next, equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, this is the triangle ABC. Here 3 sides are equal. Each angle is 60, 60, 60. Here one formula. If 2 vertices are given in a question, any 2 vertices are given in a question, find the third vertex. One formula is there. If x1, y1, x2, comma y2 are 2 vertices of an equilateral triangle, then third vertex x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 minus or plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. By observe that the third vertex formula, here in x coordinate, the x coordinates is add and y coordinates are subtracted, plus or minus root 3 by 2. In x coordinates of third vertex, the x coordinates add x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2. In y coordinate, here the y coordinates is add, the x coordinate is subtracted. Here plus or minus, in minus or plus root 3 x1 minus x2 by 2. Remember this point. The third vertex is x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 minus or plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. This is the formula to find the third vertex of the equilateral triangle. Here one model question. If 2, 4, 2, 6 are 2 vertices of an equilateral triangle, then find third vertex. To observe that if the triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, one of the vertex, at least one of the vertex is irrational number. That irrational number is root 3. Here let A equal to 2, 4, x1, y1 first coordinates, B equal to 2, 6, x2, y2. Let's see the third vertex. C is equal to third vertex. The formula x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2, comma in y coordinates add y1 plus y2 minus or plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. This is the formula. Apply the values. Directly apply x1 plus x2. 2 plus 2, 4. x1 2, x2 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Plus or minus root 3. Here y1 4. y2 minus 6. 4 minus 6 minus 2 by 2. Comma y1 plus y2 4 plus 6 10 minus or plus root 3 x1 minus x2 2 minus 2 0 by 2. Here to apply the values, x coordinate plus or minus, y coordinate minus or plus, root 3 into 0 0, the entire term is 0. 4 plus or minus, plus into minus, minus 2 root 3 by 2, comma root 3 into 0, the entire term is 0, 10 by 2. 2 ones to 2 5. 2 ones to 2 5. Here 2 is common. 2 is common. 2 plus or minus minus root 3 by 2 comma 2 ones 2 fives 5. Here 2 get cancelled. In x coordinate, two values, 2 plus into minus 2 minus root 3 comma 5. Y coordinate is only 1. And next one, minus into minus plus 2 plus root 3 comma 5. The C vertices, 2 vertices, 1 vertex 2 minus root 3 comma 5 and 2 plus root 3 comma 5. Here to observe that 2 plus into minus root 3, y coordinate only 1, 5 and minus into minus plus 2 plus root 3 comma 5. Next one, right angled isosceles triangle. Here in a right angled isosceles triangle, two sides equal, is the one is the diagonal. Here if two sides equal, this triangle is a isosceles, and also prove that Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. In a right angled isosceles triangle, one angle 90 degree, remaining two angles 45 degree, 45 degree. This is a right angled isosceles triangle. In a right angled isosceles triangle, two vertices are given. These two vertices are hypotenuse endpoints, the extremities of the hypotenuse endpoints. x1, y1 and x2, y2 are extremities of the hypotenuse of a right angled isosceles triangle. Then third vertex is nothing but 90 degree vertex. 90 degree vertex. Here third vertex, x1 plus x2 plus or minus y1 minus y2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 minus or plus x1 minus x2 by 2. To observe this formula, this is the x coordinate of third vertex. In this x coordinate of third vertex, x coordinate is sum x1 plus x2 plus or minus y coordinate is subtracted by 2. In a y coordinate is add y1 plus y2 minus or plus, here x coordinates are subtracted, x1 minus x2 by 2. This is the formula in the given problem in the form of right angled isosceles triangle. Then find the third vertex. The third vertex is a 90 degree vertex. Given hypotenuse endpoints. Here one model question. If 2 comma 4 comma 2 are extremities of hypotenuse of a right angle isosceles triangle, then find third vertex. Here in a diagram, one small diagram, this is a diagram. B vertex is 2 comma 4 hypotenuse endpoint, and C vertex 4 comma 2. Here A 90 degree. Already known, in a right angle triangle, the x comma y coordinate in 90 degree vertex, one x coordinate in B point, one y coordinate in C point. Here the x coordinate of B is 2 and y coordinate of C is 2 comma 2, or to observe that if in B y coordinate is 4, in C x coordinate is 4, or 4 comma 4 in this way also. If 2 comma 2, the x coordinate of 2 in B, 2 the y coordinate of 2 in C. This is a right angled isosceles triangle. To observe that if A is equal to 4 comma 4, the x coordinate of 4 in C, the y coordinate of 4 in B, it is also a 90 degree vertex. It didn't apply the formula. By applying the formula, let B equal to 2 comma 4 x1 y1, c is equal to 4 comma 2 x2 y2. Then these are the extremities of the hypotenuse endpoints. 90-degree vertex, let capital A equal to x1 plus x2 plus or minus y1 minus y2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 minus or plus x1 minus x2 by 2. Here apply the formula x1 plus x2, 2 plus 4, 6 plus or minus y1 minus y2, 4 minus 2, 2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2, 4 plus 2, 6 minus or plus x1 minus x2, 2 minus 4 minus 2 by 2. Here x coordinates 2, y coordinates 2. 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 2, comma, minus into minus plus 6 plus 2, 8 by 2. And 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. 4 by 2, comma, plus into minus, minus. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 by 2. 2 ones 2, 4. 2 ones 2, 4. 2 ones 2, 2. 2 ones 2, 2. Here 4 comma 4 and 2 comma 2. This is the answer. 2 comma 2 or 4 comma 4. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section. Next video, discuss about missing vertices in quadrilateral.